Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 5, leçon N. And in this lesson, we'll discover vocabulary regarding le corps humain. Le corps humain. So let's start now. La tête. La tête. L'épaule. L'épaule. Okay, so in that case, I did put this F here just to indicate you that it's feminine, okay, because you cannot see it here with the article L, okay? L'épaule. La poitrine. La poitrine. Le tronc. Le tronc, okay, remember, final C is not pronounced here. Le tronc, okay? L'estomac. L'estomac, okay, same thing here, final C not pronounced, and then M means that this word, estomac, is masculine, okay? L'estomac. La hanche. La hanche. Remember, H here is not pronounced, so you get the sound en, hanche at the beginning. Le poignet. Le poignet. So this combination of ET at the end will basically open the sound. So you get poignet. Okay, remember, G-N, poignet, le poignet. La cuisse. La cuisse. Double S and then two vowels before and after. It will give you a really strong S sound, okay? Cuisse, cuisse, la cuisse. Le genou, le genou. La jambe, la jambe. Okay, remember, A-M, when you combine these two, basically it's just like A-N, so it's nasal and it's en. Okay, so you get la jambe. La cheville. La cheville. Remember, double L like that after I. Cheville. Le pied. Le pied. Le dos. Le dos. Final S not pronounced. Okay? Le dos. Le cou. Le cou. Le bras. Le bras. Same thing here. Final S not pronounced. Le bras. Le coude. Le coude. So it's actually quite funny because the only difference between these two is this d at the end. Okay, so here in this one you've got le cou. Okay, and then the second one here is le coude. Okay, remember, you don't insist on this final E, it only gives you the sound of D at the end. Le coude, okay? Le nombril. Le nombril. Le doigt de pied. Le doigt de pied. La main. La main. So this combination A-I-N is quite interesting because it will give you the sound un. So it's really a nasal, it goes in your nose, okay? And it's un. Main. La main. Le doigt. Le doigt. Okay, so don't be frightened by this G because basically you don't pronounce it and then the final T you don't pronounce it. So the only thing you get to pronounce is this combination of three letters, sorry, here. D-O-I. Okay, O-I, it's wa, and then D, doigt. That's the only thing. Doigt, le doigt. Okay. Le pouce. Le pouce. L'ongle. L'ongle. Okay, I forgot to write it, but it's masculine. Okay. L'ongle. La peau. La peau. Okay, remember this combination of 3 vowels. Well, it's quite rare in France, but then, well, you can see it. But then, so the sound that you will have to pronounce when you've got these 3 vowels combined together, it's the sound O. Okay, so really simple, O. Okay, so you get la peau. Okay, la peau. That's it. If you want more, then the address is here, youtube.com/imagier, and then the website is here. If you want to see more material, or then write me a beautiful letter or a mail. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.